Let's dive into the secretive world of chicken wing production, where the stakes are high and the flavors are rich. It's a journey where precision and tradition collide to create something truly extraordinary. So, how do they do it? The journey of creating delicious chicken wings begins with the crucial step of selecting the right chicken. Quality assurance starts at the very source, so producers prioritize choosing chickens that are healthy, well-fed, and raised under optimal conditions. This ensures that the final product is not only flavorful, but also safe and nutritious. Chickens are sourced from farms that adhere to strict standards of animal welfare and sustainability. These farms maintain clean environments where chickens have access to nutritious feed and fresh, clean water. These optimal conditions are essential for raising healthy chickens. The feed provided is often a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, ensuring that the chickens grow at a healthy rate and develop properly. Water is kept uncontaminated to prevent any diseases, and the overall environment is designed to reduce stress among the birds, promoting their well-being. Inspectors play a pivotal role in the selection process. They rigorously evaluate each batch of chickens, checking for any signs of disease, stress, or malnutrition. This evaluation includes both visual inspections and sometimes even laboratory testing to ensure the chickens are free from pathogens and contaminants. Inspectors look for signs such as clear eyes, healthy feathers, and overall robust physical condition. Any signs of illness or poor health disqualify the chickens from moving forward in the production process. Only the chickens that meet these high standards are chosen for the next stage of production. This initial step is critical because the quality of the chicken directly affects the taste, texture, and overall quality of the chicken wings. Poor quality chickens can lead to issues such as tough meat, off flavors, and potential health risks, which can severely impact the final product's acceptability and safety. Once the chickens pass the inspection, they are carefully transported to the processing facility. During transportation, conditions are controlled to minimize stress and prevent any deterioration in the quality of the chickens. Trucks are often equipped with ventilation systems and are cleaned thoroughly before each transport to ensure the chickens remain in a healthy state. This part of the journey is crucial, as stress during transport can negatively affect meat quality. Upon arrival at the processing facility, another round of inspections takes place to reaffirm the health and quality of the chickens. This double check ensures that no compromised chickens make it into the production line. Maintaining this level of scrutiny helps guarantee that only the best chickens are used, laying a solid foundation for the production of high-quality chicken wings. Starting with top-grade chickens is fundamental because every subsequent step in the production process builds on this initial quality. The texture, flavor, and overall appeal of the chicken wings depend heavily on the quality of the meat used. High-quality chickens yield tender, flavorful wings that are more likely to meet consumer expectations and preferences. By adhering to these stringent selection standards, producers can confidently move forward with the knowledge that they are starting with the best possible raw materials. This commitment to quality from the very beginning ensures that the final product will be delicious, safe, and satisfying for consumers. It also builds a reputation for the brand as a provider of high-quality chicken products, fostering consumer trust and loyalty. In conclusion, selecting the right chicken is not just the first step in the production process. It is the foundation upon which the entire process is built. By choosing healthy, well-raised chickens from reputable farms and conducting thorough inspections, producers set the stage for creating chicken wings that are not only delicious, but also meet the highest standards of quality and safety. This meticulous selection process ensures that every bite of chicken wing is a testament to the dedication and care put into producing a superior product. After selecting the chickens, they are transported to the processing facility, where they undergo the critical trimming and cutting stage. Initially, the chickens are thoroughly cleaned and inspected once more to ensure they meet stringent quality standards. Following this, skilled workers and advanced machinery collaborate to trim and cut the chickens into wings. The process begins with separating the wing from the rest of the chicken. Each wing is then divided into 3 parts: the drumette, wingette, and tip. This precise trimming and cutting process ensures that each piece is uniform in size and weight, which is crucial for even cooking and consistent seasoning. Uniformity helps maintain quality control, ensuring that each wing cooks at the same rate and absorbs flavors evenly. Proper trimming and cutting also involve removing any excess fat or gristle, guaranteeing that the wings are of the highest quality. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that the wings are not only visually appealing, but also meet the texture and taste expectations of consumers. By removing unwanted parts, the wings become more desirable and easier to eat. This stage is essential as it prepares the wings for the subsequent steps of brining and seasoning. Precision in trimming and cutting lays the foundation for the overall quality of the final product. The uniformity achieved during this stage ensures that every chicken wing, once cooked, will have the same delicious taste and texture, meeting consumer expectations consistently. By ensuring that each chicken wing is carefully trimmed and cut, producers can deliver a product that is ready to be, enhance it with flavors, and cook it to perfection. This stage sets the stage for creating chicken wings that are not only high quality, but also consistently enjoyable for consumers. Brining is a crucial step that significantly enhances the flavor and juiciness of chicken wings. The process involves submerging the wings in a brine solution made of water, salt, sugar, and various spices. This solution infuses the wings with moisture and flavor, ensuring they remain tender and juicy during cooking. The duration of the brining process can vary, typically taking several hours, depending on the size and thickness of the wings. During this time, the wings absorb the flavors of the brine, enhancing their taste and texture. The salt in the brine helps to break down muscle proteins, which allows the wings to retain more moisture, making them tender and preventing them from drying out during cooking. Additionally, the sugar in the brine contributes to a subtle sweetness that balances the overall flavor profile. The spices in the brine add depth and complexity, setting the stage for the seasoning that follows. This meticulous brining process is essential for creating chicken wings that are not only flavorful, but also have the perfect texture. Proper brining ensures that each wing is consistently delicious, providing a satisfying eating experience. By taking the time to brine the wings thoroughly, producers can deliver a high-quality product that meets consumer expectations and stands out in terms of taste and juiciness. This step lays the foundation for creating chicken wings that are flavorful, tender, and irresistible. After brining, the chicken wings are ready for seasoning, which gives them their distinctive flavor. Producers use a blend of spices and herbs to create a variety of flavor profiles. Common seasonings include salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and cayenne pepper, with some recipes also incorporating herbs like thyme, rosemary, or oregano. The seasoning blend is carefully measured and mixed to ensure each wing is evenly coated. This step requires precision and consistency to achieve the desired flavor. The seasoned wings are then left to rest, allowing the flavors to fully develop before cooking. Proper seasoning is crucial for creating chicken wings that are both flavorful and satisfying. This meticulous process ensures that every bite of chicken wing delivers the perfect blend of spices and herbs, meeting consumer expectations and enhancing the overall dining experience. By focusing on seasoning, producers can offer a wide range of delicious flavors that cater to diverse tastes, making sure every wing is a hit. The next step is coating the chicken wings, which involves applying a layer of flour or breading to create a crispy exterior during cooking. The wings are first dipped in a liquid, such as buttermilk or egg wash, to help the coating adhere. They are then rolled in a mixture of flour, breadcrumbs, or a specially formulated breading mix. This process is carried out with care to ensure each wing is evenly coated. This step is essential for achieving the perfect texture, as the coating creates a crispy, golden brown exterior while keeping the inside moist and tender. Proper coating also adds an extra layer of flavor, enhancing the overall taste of the chicken wings. By ensuring an even and thorough coating, producers can deliver consistently high-quality wings that are both delicious and visually appealing. This meticulous process guarantees that each chicken wing has the ideal crunch and flavor that consumers expect and enjoy. Cooking is the stage where the chicken wings are transformed into the delicious final product. The wings can be cooked using various methods, including frying, baking, or grilling. Each method has its advantages and contributes to the wing's flavor and texture. Frying is the most common method, as it creates a crispy exterior and juicy interior. The wings are submerged in hot oil and cooked until they reach a safe internal temperature. Baking is a healthier alternative, where the wings are placed on a baking sheet and cooked in an oven. This method can also produce crispy wings if done correctly. Grilling adds a smoky flavor to the wings and is often used for barbecue-style recipes. Regardless of the cooking method, the wings are monitored to ensure they're cooked evenly and reach the desired doneness. This stage is crucial for achieving the perfect balance of flavor, texture, and juiciness. Quality control is a continuous process throughout the production of chicken wings, ensuring the highest standards are met at every stage, from selection to cooking. This rigorous testing and inspection cover consistency, flavor, texture, and potential contaminants. Advanced laboratory equipment is employed to test for pathogens, ensuring the wings are safe for consumption. Trained professionals conduct sensory evaluations to check for flavor and texture, ensuring the product meets consumer expectations. This meticulous approach is crucial for maintaining high standards of quality control, which is vital for consumer trust and brand reputation. Any deviation from these standards can result in product recalls, financial losses, and damage to the brand's image. At the initial selection stage, each chicken is inspected for health and quality. During processing, each batch undergoes thorough testing to ensure the meat is free from harmful bacteria. The brining, seasoning, and cooking stages are closely monitored to maintain consistency and flavor. Temperature control is crucial at every step to ensure food safety and quality. In addition to laboratory testing, quality control includes regular audits and inspections of the processing facilities to maintain hygiene and prevent contamination. Equipment is regularly sanitized, and staff are trained in best practices for food safety. Before packaging, another round of inspections ensures the wings meet all quality criteria. Each package is then checked to confirm it is sealed properly and labeled correctly, providing consumers with necessary information, such as expiration dates and nutritional facts. By implementing these rigorous quality control measures, producers ensure that each batch of chicken wings is safe, high quality, and delicious. This meticulous approach guarantees that consumers receive a product that meets their expectations every time, reinforcing trust in the brand and ensuring satisfaction with every bite. Once the chicken wings are cooked and cooled, they move to the packaging stage, which is vital for preserving their quality and freshness. The wings are carefully portioned and placed in packaging designed to protect them from contamination and spoilage. Various packaging options are used, including vacuum-sealed packs and modified atmosphere packaging. Vacuum sealing removes air from the package, extending the shelf life and maintaining the wings' freshness. Modified atmosphere packaging replaces the air with a mix of gases that slow down the spoilage process. Each package is meticulously labeled with essential information, such as the product name, weight, expiration date, and nutritional facts. Proper labeling is crucial for ensuring traceability and providing consumers with the information they need. The packaging process is automated to ensure consistency and efficiency, with each package inspected to confirm it is sealed correctly and free from defects. The packaging stage involves several critical steps to ensure the highest quality. First, the wings are portioned into appropriate serving sizes. Then, they are placed into packaging materials that provide a barrier against air and moisture. The packages are sealed using advanced machinery that ensures a tight, secure closure. Each package undergoes a thorough inspection to check for any signs of damage or improper sealing. Proper packaging not only preserves the quality of the wings, but also enhances their appeal to consumers. This final step ensures that the chicken wings reach store shelves in perfect condition, ready for purchase. By using state-of-the-art packaging techniques, producers can maintain the wings' flavor, texture, and freshness, providing consumers with a high-quality product they can trust and enjoy. The final step in the production process is distribution. Once the chicken wings are packaged, they are ready to be transported to retailers and food service providers. This stage involves careful planning and coordination to ensure the wings reach their destination quickly and safely. Packaged wings are loaded onto refrigerated trucks that maintain a consistent temperature to preserve their freshness. Logistics are meticulously planned to minimize transit time and ensure the wings remain in optimal condition. Proper handling during transportation is crucial for maintaining quality. Upon arrival, the wings are unloaded and stored in refrigerated conditions until they are ready to be sold or served. This stage is essential to ensure the wings reach consumers in the best possible condition. By carefully managing the distribution process, producers ensure their chicken wings are delivered fresh, flavorful, and ready to enjoy. This thorough approach guarantees that every package of chicken wings maintains its high quality from the factory to the consumer's table. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from select chickens to the delicious chicken wings we all love. This process artfully combines traditional methods with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting how it's made stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.